y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a decorate with me video for you guys. I'm currently sitting in the middle of my empty dining room and I'm going to decorate this entire space and you guys are going to come along with me. My husband and I just got done building a modern farmhouse table, so I am super excited to bring that in here, and that's going to kind of be the theme of my dining room, kind of like a modern farmhouse. I do have oyster shells that I like to decorate with around my house because I've never really gotten away from that beachy theme, so I kind of like to mix the two themes together. I am going to start by cleaning this area before I decorate everything, and once I am done, I'll go through each piece and tell you where I got everything. So I know I'm going to get questions about my carpet later on after I post this video, so I just want to go ahead and throw it out there. Yes, I know my carpet is coming apart. Unfortunately, our house came with a very cheap carpet, and because we have an open floor plan, there's not a big enough piece of carpet to stretch from wall to wall, so we do have seams, and from everyday wear and tear, those seams have started to come apart. We are planning on putting in hardwood floors in the near future, but it doesn't happen overnight, so I am being very patient about it in the meantime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you. Let's get started. All right, y'all, finally finished my dining room. I'm really pleased on how it turned out. I'm gonna go through really quick just to show you where everything came from. This lantern here came from Marshall's. My curtains came from Target. I actually get asked about these a lot. I have these in my family room as well. My eat signs came from Kirkland's. Moving over here, my buffet furniture came from Home Goods. This lantern came from TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I'm not really sure. I still see them in there today. I've actually had these for a couple of years. The clear vase came from Target a few years ago, and the candle came from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. This wicker tray came from the store At Home. There's another lantern. My grass plant came from TJ Maxx, and my oyster shell candle came from some boutique. My mom actually got this for me for a gift. I think it's by Mud Pie. And this is my favorite piece in my entire dining room. This came from the store At Home. Moving over to my table. Like I said in the beginning of my video, my husband and I actually built this table. We really took our time on it to make sure it turned out really, really nice. The chairs I got from Amazon, and I'll put a link below if you're interested in checking those out. And then lastly, this oyster shell chandelier. My mom actually got this for me too for a birthday gift. I think this piece is just absolutely beautiful. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed so you can join my channel. I will see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.